Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
Hey, Dan Anderson here with another hot tech tip for you. I want to go ahead and tell you, now that you've got your meet created, your questions uploaded, you've got all the changes to your team information, so you should be set to go. So what you want to do now is update. So you took all this information from the server, BibleQuiz.com. You put it on your local PC, accessed it through ScoreKeep, made the changes that we've walked through. Now it's time to put it back on BibleQuiz.com so that you can access it with your tablets and your scorekeeping devices. All right. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you check boxes for the meets that you want to upload. Okay. Then you're going to come over here to the Setup tab. Mark that. Then you just, again, we talked about this in another video, but just make sure that you change users. Even though your name is there, just make sure you're logged in, everything's cool. You'll avoid some problems in the future. So let's just make sure that happens. Go ahead and close that back out. And then you're going to go back in and you're going to begin with the upload process. So you're going to click the box that says Upload Checked Meets. All right. Can you say sketchy? Yeah, this is sketchy, but I don't have a lot of video experience. I'm sure some of you take time to, boobly bleep down there in the comment section if there's a way that I can do this. I use a mail clip from Microsoft, and I cannot figure out how to get these particular menus to show up, and you need to see this one. So we're going to go in here and click Upload Check Meets. Give it a minute or two. It's going to bring up this mysterious menu. You're going to go ahead. It'll take a minute or two sometimes to populate. I've hit this a couple of times today. Click on the meet you want. It's going to turn blue for a moment. Then it's going to be gray shaded. Double check your easy score code. This is a code that your scorekeepers and tech people will use to gain access to the database once they're on the tablet. Then we're going to go ahead and go over here and hit link and upload. Give it a moment. And I love this message. Don't panic. It may take a minute or two for score changes to appear on BibleQuiz.com. I've actually seen it where it says up to 6 hours for it to appear on BibleQuiz.com. Do yourself a favor. Don't wait to do any of this work on Saturday morning. Try to make sure everything's uploaded and ready to go on Thursday or Friday, or in case of some events, a day or two ahead of your quiz meet. God bless you. This is going to wrap up this series on ScoreKeep. Everything from the Easy Score tablet perspective is in a different playlist. God bless you. Thank you for all you do. What a great benefit you are to our families and the Family Discipleship Ministry. You are changing lives every day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.